section 2, Mothers 4x1. Second gear speed out well in lane 7. As we go to the first exchange, second leg. Second gear speed. Coming up, and track explosion. Both their teams coming up. What a great second leg.